Hey guys, welcome to DG Capital. This channel will be my medium to share my financial journey and everything I've learned. I will also share which stocks stand out and share my knowledge of personal finance. I will also talk about stocks which you want to avoid that may be traps. The stock market is volatile. Some days it looks like it's going up through the roof. The other days it looks like it's headed for a massive crash. So what does that all mean? And most importantly, in those days of ups and downs, when should you get into the market? I'm here to make sense of it all and guide you to filter out all the noise to make sense of it all. And most importantly, make your money work for you. So let me back up and talk about how I got here. I first started investing back in 2015 when the markets at that time were at an all-time high. But ever since then, I've been invested and I've had my money just compound and grow. Ever since I could remember, I've always been fascinated about money. I love talking about it. I love talking about it with others. I love helping others learn about money and how they can make the best use of it. And this fascination about money made me learn how it works. Why do some have so much and others have so little? Why do we all chase it? What is it about money that makes people do what they do? So how did I turn $1,000 into a multi-six-figure portfolio in just a few short years? Well, I'll tell you right now, it wasn't about getting lucky or catching a high-flying stock at the right time from the ground up. Sometimes you just have to make your own luck, and I'm a big believer of that. For example, if you're a talented individual but don't put in the hard work, it makes it really hard to make progress. The key is hard work. But more specifically, I want to focus on consistency. I took that $1,000 and just invested it into the stock market. I ignored the fact that the market was at an all-time high. I didn't think, or I didn't care to think, what happens if I invest this money and the next day the market crashes. I just knew I wanted to be in the market and use this $1,000 capital to start building wealth. I'm so grateful today for taking that first step and ignoring all the scary headlines along the way. But I didn't just take that $1,000 and just sit on it. I made a plan to invest every single time I got paid. No matter what amount I could set aside. I just knew that no matter what, every time I got paid, I'm going to put money into the market. And I've been following this plan to this very day. And that's why that $1,000 that I invested multiplied and grew. Where now it's grown over 100 times over. But what if you're in a situation where you're living paycheck to paycheck and you can't set aside money to invest? Don't worry, I'm here for you. I'm going to talk about how you can optimize your finances so you too can have money and invest into the markets. I'll talk about the ways you can optimize your finances just like the way wealthy individuals do, and how they've used those tips and tricks to grow their wealth. It's just a matter of implementing it into your own life, no matter how much you make, because everyone can use these tips and make their money work for them. Because the most important thing is having your money working for you, not you working for your money. Well, that's it for today for my first video. Thank you for watching. Really appreciate it. My goal is to use my knowledge of financial markets and personal finance to help you guys and help you build wealth on your own financial journey. So please stay tuned and smash that subscribe button and make sure you have the notification icon turned on so you can be the first ones to know when a new video comes out. And if you like this video, please hit that like button and share this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.